IJMS Painters.
Welcome back to IJMS Painters, and we're back with a DIY tutorial video. So today we're going to be looking at this steel door. It's absolutely solid, nothing's getting through there. The bodywork, the frame is absolutely okay, but what we're going to be concentrating on today is this rusting area here. So as you can see, over time, it's been hit by rain, all kinds of debris, and it has actually rusted, okay? And this is what we're going to be dealing on today. So for this DIY tutorial video, or what you're going to need for this DIY project, you're going to need nice high gloss paint. You're going to need a brush, also some masking tape, sanding paper, and a roller. So how we're going to take this, we're going to take this step by step. So the first thing we're going to do in this video, we're going to sand the area. After sanding, we're going to clean it, make sure it's free of any grease, debris, any kind of rust. And when you sand, make sure that this finished surface is as smooth as you can get it to be. After that, we're going to be masking round. And then once we're done with the masking and we're happy with the masking, we're going to start repainting. As you can see, the knocker here, it's lost its vibe, it's lost its color. So we're not going to be repainting the knocker or the handle. What we're actually going to be doing, we're going to be using a nice type of polish, and we're going to repolish the knocker and the handle to rejuvenate its color and give it back that original vibe. So if this is the first time you're watching this video,
like, subscribe,
and share on
YouTube
at IJMS
TV,
or on Facebook at
Facebook
Management Services,
at IJ Management Services.
Tons of videos for you guys to watch and learn from and be entertained. So grab all your stuff and get ready. I'll see you back here in a minute.
Sanding process. Use protective equipment. Overalls, gloves, nose mask or respirators. We have decided to spray the door knocker gold and polish the door handle once painting commences. Do the same sanding process for all other required areas. Sanding process complete. Cleaning process. Use a damp microfiber cloth. Clean area to be painted. Clean areas to be masked. Allow to dry. Cleaning process complete. Masking process. Use masking tape. Have a Stanley knife or blade to hand, and be precise with your masking line. Masking process complete. Painting process / avoid runs, drips and spills by adding paint in manageable coats. Remember to lay off after each coat. First coat complete. Repeat the process in coats until you get the required finish. This is after the second coat. Third and final coat, the difference is so clear. Knocker masking removed and ready for spraying. Total work complete. This is what it looked like before, with the 5-step process implemented. This is the after. We are IJMS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We have lots more videos on our socials. On YouTube at IJMS TV. And on Facebook at IJ Management Services. Thanks for watching this tutorial.